Hi, I'm Sarah from Jimmy Beans Wool, and today we're going to go over everything you need to know to do block 24 of the Cascade Yarns Knitterati Diagonal Afghan. Alright, so this is block 24. It's by the designer Jeannie Chin, and it is this beautiful, beautiful block that is made up of interlocking squares that have double seed stitch panels in the center of them. So let's get this held up for a closer look. You can see we've got knits and purls intersecting to create this cool interlocking pattern throughout the block, and then within each block is that double seed stitch, and it's got a background of reverse stockinette. So these are all just purls through there for you to take a look at. So if you need any help with those techniques, you're just going to be doing basic knits and purls throughout this block, and of course slipping stitches along the edge to make your seaming easier at the end. You can always check out our basic techniques video. I'll link that in the upper right hand corner of your screen right now, so that you can make sure that you have a totally solid foundation for how to do all of these stitches. Another tip that we would recommend for this block is to use a locking stitch marker, or at least a removable stitch marker to keep your place so that you can more easily count your rows as you're either following the written instructions or the chart. Because this is just knits and purls, it would be fairly easy to get it messed up. So we find that by using a removable stitch marker to just mark a stitch on the right side of our work, it makes it much easier to count the rows and know that yes, you are here in this part of the design, and you can correlate it back to your chart or your written instructions if you decide to set it down in the middle of working on it. Other than that, that's pretty much all there is to know for block 24. Alright, so that's everything you need to know to do block 24. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you in 2 weeks for the very last block. Thanks for watching!
Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing because we have a lot more yarn reviews, tutorials, and other fiber fun like that. Happy crafting!